Everything you need to know about linear light. You may have seen this mysterious looking device at your local hardware store and wondered what it was used for. Linear light, also known as linear fluorescent light, is much more than just an industrial tool or electrical component. Its uses can add beauty and function to any home or business. Here's everything you need to know about linear light and how it can be incorporated into your everyday life. What is linear light? Linear light is a type of light that travels in a straight line. It is typically produced by artificial sources, such as LEDs and fluorescent lights. Linear light is often used in photography and videography, as it can create sharp shadows and highlights. Additionally, linear light can be used to create special effects, such as the strobing effect often seen in nightclubs. Linear light is created by many different sources, including LEDs and fluorescent lights. Linear lighting is often used in photography and videography because it creates strong shadows, which can help an image stand out from its background. If you're using linear light for photos or videos, you should consider whether you want the subject to be front-lit or backlit. Should you go for a linear light? As you probably know, there are two main types of lighting fixtures, linear and nonlinear. So, which one should you choose for your project? Well, the answer depends on what type of space you're looking to light up. Linear lights are better for offices or other spaces where it's important that people can see what they're doing without shadows getting in the way. If you want something more decorative, go for a nonlinear light. These often come in more interesting shapes and can enhance a room's design, so they're ideal if you've got an industrial or modern home where you want things to look sleek and futuristic. In addition, nonlinear lights tend to be cheaper than linear models, so if budget is an issue, then that's another good reason for choosing them. What are the different kinds of linear lights? LED lights are the most common type of linear light. They're energy efficient and have a long lifespan. However, they can be more expensive than other types of linear light. Fluorescent linear lights are another popular option. They provide good lighting at a lower cost than LED lights. However, they require more energy and don't last as long as LED lights. Halogen linear lights are less common, but they offer high-quality lighting at a reasonable price. Tips while purchasing linear lights. Linear lights are a great way to add ambient lighting to any room. Here are a few tips to keep in mind when purchasing linear lights. Consider the size of the space you're looking to light up. Linear lights come in various lengths and widths and offer different brightness levels, so you'll want to make sure your light will fit where you need it. If the linear light is too long, consider cutting it with a hacksaw or buying two smaller linear lights instead of one large one. Frequently asked questions about linear lights. Linear light is a type of light that emits a bright, even beam of light. It is often used in stage lighting and in other applications where a strong, focused light is needed. Linear light is a fairly simple concept, but it's often confusing for newcomers. While linear lights aren't complicated in their design, they tend to be complicated in their application and use. If you're interested in learning more about linear light, here are some of the most frequently asked questions about linear light systems. Important keywords: downlight, linear light, strip light, wall washer, magnetic track light.